Good morning, Kenzie. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is that a lemon that you're chopping up? We're having a lovely picnic with our friends. Caterpillar. Some Angry Birds. Oh, and Pony.
The pig. The birdie.
Mm-hmm.
The teddy bear. The bunny. The caterpillar. The mare. The pony.
Mm-hmm.
The caterpillar.
Are those all your friends?
Oh, Essie.
Yeah, we're having such a lovely picnic, aren't we? Mommy would love some more coffee. Could you pour me some more coffee? Where's the coffee pot? Or the teapot? Oh, yeah.
Pot.
Could I please have some more?
I can put it this.
Fill her up. Thank you.
No more.
So tasty. Thank you. What is your favorite thing about picnics, Kens? What's your favorite thing about a picnic? Do you like chopping up the food? Yeah?
Wow, what's that?
All right.
Ow!
Can you say, have a lovely day?
Love the day.
Yeah. We're going to keep having a picnic, okay? Say bye.